Are you a Taco Bell Mexican pizza lover? I am, but guess what? Mexican pizza is going out of menu, so I better start making Mexican pizza at home. In fact, I have been making Mexican pizza at home for so long, but whenever I go out, my choice at Taco Bell is Mexican pizza. I find it easier and funful to make Mexican pizza at home. Hello friends, welcome to my everyday cooking and welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. In today's episode, I'm making Mexican pizza. Many of you requested to show how do I make Mexican pizza, so let's get started. To prepare Mexican pizza, here I have flour tortillas. Raw or cooked tortillas can be used, but my personal preference is to use uncooked flour tortillas. So I'm going to take uncooked flour tortilla, poke or make random cuts into the flour tortillas. The reason to poke tortillas is that we do not want to puff up our tortillas, but rather we want flat, baked or fried tortillas. Next, apply oil using brush on both sides of the tortillas. Place the tortilla on the rack and bake or air fry for about 4 to 6 minutes or until nice and crispy at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for uncooked tortillas and at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for cooked tortillas. These prepared nice and crispy tortillas can be stored up to a couple of weeks in an airtight container and use as needed. Follow the same steps if you have an air fryer with basket, but be sure to place trivet like this or some kind of a rack to prevent tortilla flying into the air fryer. As you can see, baked or air fried tortilla comes out nice and crispy. Now, if no oven or an air fryer available, then simply fry the tortillas on a medium to high heat in about 2 cups of oil or depending on the size of the tortillas you have. Now, to me personally, frying food is like going on the moon. It's such a big mission for me as I have to prepare so many things. Every time I fry something, I get headache. So I have to wear mask, I have to have fan on the side to give me some cooling air because I think that I may be getting headache due to the heat or something, but I have never figured out how headache triggers when I fry something, so it's not one of my favorite options. So I always prefer to bake or air fry tortillas. For this recipe, store-bought ready enchilada or taco sauce can be used, but I like to make my own enchilada or taco sauce. To prepare multi-purpose taco enchilada sauce, take oil into the pan on a medium to high heat. When the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, onion, garlic, salt. Here I have chilies. Remove the stem and break the chilies. Fresh jalapeno, red jalapeno or any kind of red chilies can be used. Add tomato. Add water. And cook everything to soft, mushy. When everything is nice and soft, turn off the stove and using hand blender, blend everything together. Next, pass the mixture through the sieve. All the seeds and the skin of the tomato, everything will be left in here. Discard the seeds and the skin of the tomato. and you will get nice and thick sauce. This homemade sauce can be refrigerated for up to 3 to 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months. Next, I'm going to prepare refried beans. Store-bought, ready refried beans can be used. Take 1 cup of dry pinto beans. Wash really well. Add pinto beans into the pressure cooker pot. Add 2 cups of water. Salt to taste. Lock the cooker and set to 25 minutes for beans. When done, open and check if they are done. Drain out boiled pinto beans and grind to a coarse mixture. And now let's make refried beans. Take a tablespoon of oil into the medium-sized pot. Add garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Add prepared pinto beans. Now add spices like ground cumin, paprika. Mix really well. And the refried beans is ready. Keep on side. Now take 1 tortilla at a time. Spread prepared refried beans. Drizzle taco or enchilada sauce. Sprinkle Mexican blend cheese. Some diced tomatoes. Little bit more enchilada sauce. And now bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until cheese is melted. Takes about 3 to 5 minutes only. Garnish with spring onion and some fresh jalapeno if you like spicy pizza. And look at this yummy looking Mexican pizza. Ready to be served, but before that, cut pizza into 4 quarters or however you like. It's time to eat, and I would like you to hear the crunch. Here I have the air fried and baked tortillas, and I'm going to prepare the pizza same way. By the way, few tips here. You can use 2 tortillas just like Taco Bell. Once you spread the refried beans, you can put another tortilla on top of it and then use the remaining ingredients like sauce, cheese, and that's how Taco Bell makes pizza with 2 tortillas. But since these tortillas are a little thicker, I prefer to use only 1. My favorite to eat at Taco Bell is Mexican pizza, and here is how Taco Bell pizza looks like, and here is my homemade pizza. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of Mexican pizza at home. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.